I've just taken delivery of my Muzata cable railing system. So I'm gonna load it up, get out the instructions, and see how easy it is to install this cable railing. The first thing you open up is a Muzata tool. They truly make it easy for the DIY guys. Typically, you're always running to the hardware store, gotta pick up the right kind of tools. They send everything with it. So this will be exciting to see it come together. All right, so right now we're trying to figure out how far back we want this post from the edge of the concrete. We looked at it, we're gonna stick with 1.5 inches. And it looks like on our design that they gave us, I believe we're 39.5 inches apart. And you can see this one is the straight run, because we have a hole here, smooth, and a hole here, and smooth. So clean front, and then the cable will transfer all the way through. Okay, just for example, this is a 90-degree post because you can see where the cables can go in here, and then they gotta turn around and go back out the other way. So one side is flush. It would go on the corner down here. All right, going to do the railing. There's some drilling that we have to do to get these aluminum brackets in place, screw in, and then the railing slides in, holds it into place, and then you keep marrying up the two all together. And what I'd like to do is put lighting underneath it. I do have an outlet at the end that I can just plug into. Since it plugs down at this end, these little black rubber bands that go over each connecting rail joint, we are fishing it through. So I've done that already, and I'm going to fish them all the way down so they're in place as we start connecting the rails. Rubber band has to go on between the light strip and the rail. I hope that makes sense, but that's a little trick we learned. So we're stringing from one end to the other the cables, and there is a series. You start in the middle, and then you go down one, then you up one, down one, up one, but there's a little schedule they have that tells you what in order. As we feed them all the way down to the end, there's an end piece that we crimp on, and then we screw on the cap, then we just barely leave that on, because then we'll get all the tension here, and as we screw it tight, that will tighten up the cable from one end to the other. Then once you get that on there, you have to crimp that on there. And there's a tool they give you to cut the cable, and here's the crimper. And this thing takes a lot of horsepower that's like a little pump jack, isn't it? So that baby crimps it, pinches it down, and that's what holds the cable in there. Look at that. So that baby's pinched in there, nice and pretty. So again, we're doing it at different orders, is what they tell you, but I think you're saying most importantly is when you tighten them up, you don't tighten from the top and go down. You start in the middle, up one, down one, up one, down one. Just alternate it so it comes together tight. Otherwise, you could run the risk of pulling these upper posts in on each other. All right, guys, we're wrapping up my Muzata railing. It's looking really nice. If you're looking for something like this, that you have beautiful views, unobstructed views, I would highly recommend this. It's got a very nice high-end finish. It's aluminum, so you really don't ever have to paint it. It's maintenance free, as well as the cable has a material over it so it doesn't get hot. It's a little bit flexible, and if I need to tighten it up, I can. This meets code because it's within 4 inches. Code is what you look for. You gotta have a 4-inch maximum opening. The way this extends around, it almost disappears, and that's what I wanted. It took us a little bit of time putting it together, but I have all the confidence in some new do-it-yourselfers. It is something you can easily figure out yourself. My neighbor kid, Ty, he's helping me today. He's just a big 6-year-old kid. All right, Ty, do you think this is hard, or what do you think about putting this together?
It's so easy, a kid could do it.
Is that right? All right, did you hear that? A kid can do it so easy. Build an easy life, a one-stop cable railing solution.